You waking up. Hmm. Wave. Your Jen wants you to wave. Say hi. Oh.
No.
See, you can't say no without laughing, so therefore he does it. That's the problem. Everybody says no, but they still laugh at him because he's too cute.
No. Hi. Aww. Let's pick yawn.
So are you going to take the picture yet or not?
It's a video.
Oh.